It's me, Jimmy. So the question is quite simple. The question is that is drop shipping still a good business in 2023? The answer is no, 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 no. Few people, like few years ago, like 10 years ago, drop shipping was a very good business. Number one reason was people was not that choosy. They do not complain a lot. In 2023, people love complaining. People are used to returning back thanks to Amazon. So if you are running a drop shipping business on Amazon or on your website, you are going to get a lot of return. Yes, I know there are companies which can handle the return, but you are losing a lot of money. The profit margin is too slim in drop shipping. Hardly like $5. Oh, some people, there will be a lot of YouTuber making money from YouTube from not drop shipping, telling you lie. Telling you that, oh, we earn this amount of money, we earn 100K, we earn 1 million per year. Bullshit. If they are earning 1 million per year, you know how many orders you have to do per day to earn 1 million per year? 1 million US dollar per year. You will be not making video on YouTube. You will be doing that more and more. So there are a lot of people which giving you wrong information. In my opinion, no dropship. Don't do dropship. If you wanna do something, buy a product, maybe store in a Amazon inventory or something like that. Buy a physical product and then store in your home or Amazon inventory, or use a fulfillment agency or service. But don't do dropship. Please don't do dropship. The profit margin is slim. A lot of people invest a lot of money in dropship. You say, Jimmy, you don't have to invest any money. Yes, you have to invest money. You have to invest money in dropshipping also, because if you just want to buy something from AliExpress and sell on Amazon, you can't. Now a lot of big dropshipper require you to order like minimum 500, $1,000 inventory or open account. You have to deposit their money. 1,000 US dollar for someone can be a lot of money. With $1,000, you can just buy the inventory, start selling on eBay or Amazon from your home is much better. So yeah, earning, I will not recommend drop shipping. That is my answer. Check out the links in the description box. Bye.
You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.